Hello everyone, I hope all are fine. In this video we'll see how to make a Gulab Jamun in 3 different ways. Let's make this Diwali a special one with the Gulab Jamuns. First we'll make the sugar syrup. Take a vessel and add 1 cup of sugar and 1.5 cup of water. Let them boil for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Elachi powder and mix well. Boil them for another 2 minutes. Sugar syrup is ready, keep them aside. The first type of Gulab Jamun is that we are making them with homemade Khoya. First we'll make the Khoya. For that, heat a wide pan and add 1 liter of full fat milk. Keep the flame between medium to high. Keep on stirring the milk until it evaporates completely. Keep the flame in low. Keep on scraping the sides of the pan in low flame. Completely evaporate the moisture from the milk. At this stage, transfer them to a plate. This is homemade Khoya. For 1 liter of milk, you get 250 grams of Khoya. Add 1/4 cup of Maida or refined wheat flour, little by little, and make them to a soft dough. Keep on kneading the dough till it becomes soft. Grease ghee in your hands. Take a small sized dough. Make a ball evenly. Make sure there are no cracks in it. Heat a kadai and add oil for frying. Keep the flame in low. After the oil is hot, drop them one by one. Fry them evenly on all sides. Transfer them to a plate. Same way fry all the Gulab Jamuns. Drop the fried Gulab Jamuns in the sugar syrup. Let them soak for half a day. First type is done. The second type is Gulab Jamun using ready-made Gulab Jamun powder. I'm using 2 packets of it. Transfer them to a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of water little by little and make them to a soft dough. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix well. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Apply ghee in your hands. Take a small sized dough and make the balls. Make sure there are no cracks in it. Same way, drop the balls and fry them in all sides. Make sure they are cooked in well. Drop them into the sugar syrup and let them soak half day. This looks so tempting. Delicious Gulab Jamun is ready. The third type is that we are going to make a bread Gulab Jamun. Take 6 big slices of bread. Take a knife and remove their sides. Take a mixer jar and add them. Just mix them coarsely. Transfer them to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. This is optional. Just combine them well. Take 2 tablespoons of milk. Add them little by little and make them to a dough. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and knead well. Same way, grease ghee in your hand. Take a small portion of dough and make them to a small balls. Fry them in the oil. Make sure they are cooked all sides well. Drop them into the sugar syrup and let them soak for half a day. Delicious bread gulab jamun is ready to be served. Try this recipe in whichever way you want. Comment your feedbacks in the comment section below. Happy safe Diwali to all of you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and bye.